What is up, family? Mark Type again, and in this tutorial you will understand how to use VLOOKUP in Excel. How do you decide that VLOOKUP is the best choice to look up for a certain value in your data? Well, just look at the arrangement of your data. In this case, look at employee ID, name, department, values, all arranged vertically in terms of columns. Then VLOOKUP makes sense. Let's begin with this. VLOOKUP, its description, it looks for a value in the leftmost column of a table and then returns a value in the same row. Suppose you're looking for 103, employee ID 103. It returns a value in the same row from a column you specify. Don't assume this. By default, the table must be sorted in an ascending order. Let's check out. Suppose we want to look up for an ID and return the department. So the lookup value there is a certain ID, maybe this one. Provide the entire table array. And then column index number, we want to return the department, so 1, 2, 3. And then the range lookup. Do you remember when it said that by default your data must be arranged in an ascending order? The way to get around any problem, just in case your data is not arranged in an ascending order, is to choose exact match false. Let's check for salary using ID. Allow me to copy that formula and paste it there. And this time round, we are checking for ID. Let's check for the same person. And now the table array has changed, so let's give it the right one, and this time round let's lock it. And then what do we need to change? We want to return a salary which is in column number 4. Alright, so Alice is earning 48,000 Kenyan shillings. Now let's copy the same there and paste it here. We want to return the name using ID. Okay, so we want to return the name using ID. Let's check for the same person, and we want to return the name which is in column number 2. Alright, now let's try this. Can we get the salary using the name as the lookup value? Is that possible? Let's say Alice, and our table array column index number, we want to return what? The salary, which is in column number 4, and false for exact match. It returns a not available error again because VLOOKUP looks for a value in the leftmost column, and we were looking for a value in the second column, which is to the right of the leftmost. So that is the limitation of VLOOKUP when using it in Excel. There is another Excel lookup function which is more dynamic, more powerful, and it defeats all the limitations of VLOOKUP and even HLOOKUP. The name is XLOOKUP. If you want to check it out, watch this video. Thank you for watching this video, and like it and subscribe if you're not yet part of the family. I will see you in the next video.